Hello, everyone, and welcome to another session of Introduction to Marketing. As digital marketing continues to grow very fast, in this session, we will talk about some foundations and elements of digital marketing. If you're ready, let's get into this. First of all, what do we mean by digital marketing? Digital marketing is basically using the internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. When we have done traditional marketing through the channels like the radio, TV, magazines, and billboards, in digital marketing, we get the use of digital channels like SEO, social media, pay-per-click ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, email marketing, and etc. What are the advantages of digital marketing over traditional marketing? Where traditional marketing still works, there are more advantages to digital marketing. For example, you can target a large number of people online. Also, you will be able to laser focus and be selective for the audience who will be a good fit to what you are offering. Digital marketing can sometimes be cost-effective in comparison to traditional marketing. And most important of all, in digital marketing, you would be able to measure and track the results. Another topic that I would like to talk about here is about strategy and tactics. When it comes down to digital marketing, one mistake that sometimes businesses, especially small businesses do, is just jumping to choose the media that they want to be on. And they sometimes forget or overlook the prior steps. Remember, for digital marketing, you still need to be clear about your strategy, meaning the direction and big picture of the work. Whereas tactics, which are your actionable steps. In this framework that you're seeing in this slide, we introduce 4 core principles. First of all, it's all about your model. Your model is basically what you do or what you offer. Then your market. Essentially, anyone you would like to serve, which leads to create your customer avatar, which we will talk about that in the next slides. Then it's gonna be your message, what you want to communicate with your customers and how your business can help them. Ultimately, you would consider the media that fit your business. Another topic that is worth to talk about here is about organic versus paid. The contents that you can make for free are called organic. However, you're still spending time, energy, or maybe money behind this thing for that, right? On the other hand, there will be paid contents that you pay to have your products or services get promoted. Another topic here will be about direct response versus brand awareness. The promotions and advertisements in digital marketing can be considered for either direct response or for brand awareness. In direct responses, we basically seeking for an immediate response or action, which can be later on be tracked and measured. Whereas in brand awareness, we are aiming for our brand to be recognized and recalled at a later time by our customers or clients. While direct response marketing is looking for immediate and tangible return, brand awareness marketing is trying to build that trust, authority for our business. Important point to remember, in order to build a profitable and sustainable business, we need a decent mix of both types. As a marketer, you should be aware of the intent of your target audience while they are online. Are they looking for something specific or they just casually browsing? As the marketer also, you may want to be more direct when they are searching for a specific product or service, or be more creative and entertaining while you know that they are just browsing casually. There are a couple of tips here for you in order to be able to grow your online business. Let's see. First of all, I would like to introduce 3 important elements in order to grow your online business. These 3 elements are traffic, conversion, and accession. And let's see, what are they? Traffic is essentially all engagement with your website or social media, including visits, clicks, likes, etc. You're trying to get the attention to be in front of the right people. Before jumping to the next element, which is about conversion, let's talk about another important concept, which is called customer or client avatar. Customer avatar, in fact, is your ideal target market. This is where you would study your customer and find out their detail about their demographic, geographic, and psychograph. Talking about the next element, it's gonna be conversion. What happens after those clicks? How you would approach to turn or convert those clicks and likes to leads, customers, or clients. Last but not least is about accession. Accession is all about what happens next after they opted in, registered, or purchased your products or services. And understanding point is that by purchasing, opting in, or registering, they are not done. It's not the end, yet it's the beginning. 2 other important topics in digital marketing is about email marketing and retargeting. And what do we mean by each of them? Email marketing is basically the act of sending a commercial message typically to a group of people, your potential customers or your existing customers. Whereas in retargeting, which is basically a form of online advertising that can help you keep your brand in front of bounce traffic after they leave your website.